Hello again. We're in blizzard number 2 of the week. This was cleared last night. It's kind of ugly out here. I can't give you an estimate of how much we've gotten because the winds have been so strong that it doesn't stay in one place for very long. Feels like the wind's about to pick up again. And here it comes. Gonna get here a whiteout probably, maybe. It's pretty vicious out here. It's not good. It's probably the worst week I can ever remember weather-wise here. Just a mess. Luckily, a lot of things closed up. A lot of the road crews are starting to pull off the road even. It's too ugly for them to be out with plows. So right now the nor'easter is forming off the coast while the low pressure is from the west is coming in. So we're going to get some dramatic wind here. You can see the house. The wind is blowing right into the house, so the snow is actually sticking to the wall. Here. Try and get the snow off our tree here. Poor fella's had a rough week here. Trying to keep her alive. You can see there's some ice mixed in. It looked like we got some rain last night first, and then it switched over here in Arbutus. As you can see, the snow is coming down sideways. We're going to take a little walk here. This looks like it was pretty recently plowed. But you can see how high the snow is from being shoveled. And we're going to walk down to the end of the block here. And look back again. The winds are a lot stronger than the last storm. We're whipping a lot harder, kicking a lot more butt. Probably just a good 30 to 40 mile an hour gust. You can hear traffic. Don't know quite where it's at. Probably the Beltway. To the wind here, back towards the house. Oh, what time is it? Oh, it's about 11:05 in the morning here. It's been coming down like this, except for that small period of what seemed to be rain or sleet last night, since about 7 last night, I guess. We're gonna walk up here. There's another gust. It feels like it's about to come along here. It is brutal cold. normally enjoy being out in these things, just walking around, but not this one. There's my car. Not too badly snow covered yet, but it's supposed to keep up like this until about 8 tonight. A bit more shoveling ahead of us. Off the lens here. Oh my God. Snow's going up. Alright, I've been out here for about 7 minutes and I'm completely miserable. I think it's time to go back in. Sorry I have to keep stopping. I have to brace myself with the wind. The icy sidewall combined with wind is not good. This is a neighbor's car here that he never had a chance to take out because it's got a convertible. The ragtop's probably collapsed on it by now. Comes another gust of wind. It's going to take everything out. There's the mountain of snow and stuff in our front yard. Before it got really bad, I was feeding some seagulls just to... They're so hungry. In the snow, they can't find food. So, hi. I'm Rich Sigwald. It's fun. It's kind of cold. Fun. Bye.